Hey Abigail, thanks for having us to your open house. Where are we at?
We're at 450 Windsong in Camping.
Nice, and I guess the car comes with?
The car can come with this one. It's
Awesome.
incredible.
We're gonna go for a tour. Thanks so much for having us. So when you have a themed open house with a Revuelto parked out front, you gotta have tire floaties in the pool. Loving it. So the car to match the floaties in the pool at this open house. Whew. What a knockout. I've probably got this all wrong, but I love this mirror. I'm calling it the over 60 mirror because I can see myself in it. I can make sure my tie's straight, my fly's zipped up, but I can't see every little thing, no wrinkles. But let's see if I can show you the texture of it. It's absolutely beautiful, especially when my wife's in it. Top floor, we got a bedroom here with its own bathroom that leads out to the shared balcony. Elevator, hot wife, wet bar, bedroom number 2. On the second floor, directly under those rooms we were upstairs in, got another bedroom with another private balcony. Well, is it private? Not when I'm here. Wet bar on the second level and second bedroom. It goes to that shared balcony. One thing I didn't mention on the third floor is it has another balcony up above us right here. So we're on the second floor now, and there's another balcony that overlooks the driveway in the front of the house. 3-car garage. Let's go back down to the main level where the main party's at. Laundry area, and I have garage envy. I ain't gonna lie. Just look at these huge ceilings. The only thing I'd do a little bit different is add some high arms up on here to give a little more space for the doors when they go up. There's the front entrance, living room, hot wife. Oh, she wants to go to the office. I want to show you these, the sliding glass doors, like a moving wall. We've got 3 panels that look like they slide. It's actually a total of 4. I'm not sure if they go from both ends, but looks like it opens from right to left. Alice claimed her office. We got the kitchen with the taco bar. Everything is tacos. Even the donuts I'm calling tacos. Master bedroom suite. We got a yours and mine closet with built-ins. And last but not least is the main primary bedroom suite. There was some filming going on in here and I didn't want to steal the show. But you got your own private door to go out to your deck and the pool, which I started with.
Yeah.
Beautiful place. I know I said we were at the end, but Alice said, did you get the last bedroom? And I guess I didn't. Here we go. Final bedroom. With its own bathroom. You know, we took the red carpet on the way in, but I said, Alice, I didn't capture that, so we got to do it on the way out. God, so amazing. The house too.